Yoga Therapy Thursday. Quick test to see if you have all four quads firing well. So use your knees, so engage your quads so your knees, the kneecap lifts, right? You're working into extension. And I want you to feel, you should be able to feel that muscle underneath you. Go to the innermost quad and feel that one. Now on most people, you'll be able to feel and engage the quad, but the inner one might be a little mushy. So I want to show you an exercise where we can build up that one in particular to bring more balance to the front of the leg, hip, and knee. Will help with your knee tracking. And take a blanket or something underneath the knee so it is in a flexed position. If you were to just extend the knee here, you'd be working the front of the leg and the front quad, which also crosses the hip. That would be getting more of the work. So you're going to externally rotate the hip so the inner leg is more facing up. And then extend the knee. And extend the knee. So you should be able to use your finger here and really feel that inner quad engage. Do it again. It's so simple, but it's so helpful. So you want to balance out that hip joint all the way around. Now when you get really adept at doing this, you can increase it by adding weight. So it's just an ankle weight, it's like a 1.5 pound ankle weight. You get it on Amazon, you can start smaller, and that'll add load to the quads. Balance out the hips to balance out your knees.